Hello everyone, just wanting to share a couple of makes with you guys that I've been doing for a group called The Craft Hole on Facebook. I was on a swap with a lady on there to do an altered tin. I made a couple of different ones and I just thought I'd share them with you. This is the tin in the beginning. It had the back obviously, and I don't have the back anymore, but this was the tin. So let's see how big that is. It's not that big. I would say I'm filming differently today, so it's like really awkward. Inches. It is 2 3/4 by 3, just over 3 inches. So this was the tins, and this was the other one, and then I'll show you the first one that I did. Bit of a glare, sorry. Let me push that down a bit. This is my original one that I did. I used the G45 SongBird papers. As you can see, there's the base of the tin here in the middle, and I kind of sandwiched in. I'll get my camera in focus. Well, sandwiched in between 2 bits of chipboard. Then I papered here, and I also papered the interior of the chipboard. I put a picture here and then framed it. This is from Fernley Designs. It came in a set of 4. They're actually little plaques that you can use. Come in a set of 4 like this, and you can hang them by putting little hooks in, but I really like them as the base to this. This is Tim Holt's fasteners, but I thought they looked really groovy as feet. This is also from Fernley Designs, and it's painted and then painted with liquid acrylic. It's painted with liquid acrylic autumn gold. If that'll focus. My camera's really mucking about. I don't know what's the matter with it. Come on. Autumn gold. That's really nice stuff. And then I went over with Inca gold, old gold. And then I went over with I would have painted Distress Inks Vintage Photo, and then I use over the top this vintage glaze. It's really thin and it looks really good over that sort of thing because it's not too shiny. If it will focus. My camera wants to play up today, sorry guys. Then I used some metal pieces from my collection. I should have filmed it in a different way, like I normally do. And I put some lace round that I picked up from the works. Actually, it goes perfectly. These little metal pieces I went over with the Inca Gold, just to make them within keeping with this. So that's tin 1. And then I went completely the opposite for tin 2. It's not really my style, but I wanted to do something girly, something pink, and my swap partner she stipulated that she likes shabby chic. So this is the tin I made. If it will focus. I did it very much similar to the first one, except I turned the tin around the other way, as you can tell. This one's standing up, this one's on its side, and instead of enclosing it, I kept it open and did a shadow box style and put little flowers and gems. There you go. Little gems inside, and it says just adorable. The paper collection on this one was by Prima Princess. The flowers, the little pink ones, are what my nana gave me. She had them years ago. And the yellow ones are from Wild Orchid Crafts. And then just gems and things inside are from people that have done swaps, or I've got from shops and stuff like that. I've just done the same. The little feet, but I've put petals, beads around, not petals, around the back on this one to hide the glue, because I don't like glue showing. I used a Fernley picture frame and swirls, and then I painted this one using the same liquid acrylic as before, but this time I used platinum pink. I didn't paint anything under, I went straight on the wood to give that look. And the same for this, I painted this black, this one first. But this one I painted straight onto the wood, and the same for here. And then to give that sparkly look, if it'll focus, see it's sparkly, I then used glitter glue and went over it. You can get this from down the range, Do Crafts this is. I'm not sure it's got a colour to it. It's just a glittery one. It's got like Aurora Borealis glitter. And then that went hard. And then I put the feet on it. This paper at the bottom is from the Pixie Glen collection. The rest is from the Prima Princess. This little bird here is from Can Company, I think. I think they're Wild Orchid Crafts. This little sprig. Sorry, I'm looking at what I'm doing. So yeah. If you've got any questions or suggestions or anything else, please, I'd love to hear your opinions. I hope my swap partner likes it. And that's about it, guys. Thanks. See ya. Bye.